We're in some kind of pathetic weak storm. Feels like warm air. Nope, not anymore. Okay, stop. Oh, cold. Kind of need a face shield with that, you know. Wipers. Pretty cold on the face. Can't believe they had to put the vents in here because when they came to work, it smelled like a freaking toilet. With the wood, oh, gag you. Because you gotta remember, these people don't have bathrooms. Our streets are their bathrooms. Revert it to like Middle Ages. Couldn't have done it without Sarah Bly. Thank you for making our neighborhood into a big shit show bathroom, Sarah Bly promotes. And she owns this kind of whole block. She doesn't own it. She degenerates it with that taxpayers' money. A lot of those tents she bought. It's a new way of life. Street troopers on hard drugs that are dangerous weapons in their tents. And no fucking manners. And filthy. And they think that they deserve a better place than where we're living. I don't see those signs up anymore. We deserve better than SOR. Because they're occupying SOR neighborhoods. And I went on a campaign. Dumb fucks. And yeah, I don't see those signs anymore. Hey buddy, there are a lot of fucking goose here. Which one? Oh, someone emptying their pee. I missed that. Across the street. Okay. Oh, I can make brownies today. I cooked some more oil. Oh my god, it is ugly. It's ugly, hey Daisy? Yes, this is a storm. Okay, the wind. This is a real storm now. It's getting worse. Okay, thank God I got my left mask on. I got to pick it up. Really blocks the wind off the body. Zip it up when it gets inside.